every story deserves to be heard. But mine was buried in static. I tried to pretend it was fine, but deep down, I knew the sound was stealing the soul of my work. I don't know where it came from, but something told me this box was different. And just like that, the old me left. No more multo, walang basurang audio. Let's unbox the TNW W17M. Tara. Hey guys, so pasensya kasi actually nalimutan kong i-unbox sa camera yung mic. So dito gumawa ko ng video to show yung laman ng box. So again, we have here the TNW W17M. Yes. So nice. So actually, pagbukas ng munang box, ito yung laman. Ayan. So actually we have like the receiver. So actually I'll explain later kung ano yung features nito. Then we also have like the mic. So we have like two. Actually bagay ito sa mga like vloggers or yung like podcast. Bagay ito kasi dalawa din. Matagal din malobat. So and also we have like clip sa likod. So pwede like ilagay. Nice. So hands free. Then we also have here like yung foam para sa like I guess like makaharap sa noise reduction. So actually I tried yung both. Actually mas maganda itong yung like parang cutwork. Like mas na-isolate niya yung like background noise ng mas maayos. And also actually lastly we have this block box. So as you can see guys, like yung laman nito is yung Type-C cord. Dito lang. So let me introduce and also introduce these specs to you guys. And also the good thing sa adapter nito is it also works to Android and also sa iOS. So it has 10 hours of battery life for a 1.5 hours of charge. So hindi ka na mumultuhin ng low battery. Hello. And also guys, ang good thing dito is dahil malayo yung range niya, you can shoot up to 50 meters away from your phone. So with dual noise reduction. So digid ya bation guys. So ano pa nahulat nyo? Bakal na.